So we're gonna be unboxing these two bears. One of them has clothes, one of them doesn't. We're gonna start off with Ava's first, and we're gonna save the best.
Ava first?
Yeah. We're gonna save the best for last. The best for
Okay.
last. This is Harry Potter, and this is Pudding. Save Harry Potter since he's Harry Potter.
It's okay.
We're gonna save Harry Potter, and we're just gonna, cause now we're gonna open this. This one doesn't have any clothes, but still cute either way. Pull off one, pull off two. Put them together. But before you see him, there's no seeing it. You gotta look at his birth certificate.
Let's see.
This is the birth certificate. Date of birth. That's where he was born. Full name. His height. His eye color. His fur color. Wait, that's light brown. And it belongs to Ava. That girl right there. We're not going to show her. So, in here.
It's cute.
And take him by the little. There he is. Let me first put away the box. We're going to save it for a meantime.
I think Hunter wants to get out.
Are we still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it later.
Go in.
So, my mom's going to show you a tiny bit about
Oh,
this
this is
toy.
all for Ava.
It's all for Ava. I need you to do something. Ava, you need to stop putting the
Go run.
on the plate.
Yeah. This is for Ava. Hi. Hi.
Alright,
She's back.
we're back, and we're gonna. And this is him. He has these tiny little paws, and he doesn't have really anything cool, but like here's this little thing. The heart I gave him was a red heart, plain red heart, and he is very, very cool. Ava's gonna have a fun time with him after you have done finishing this video. So this is one of my babies, but what about the other?
Yeah, you have to.
Save the best for last, didn't we?
Hello.
See that guy? He's not only just Harry Potter, he cost a lot. We spent 2/3 of our money on him. You see this guy? He was only $15,
Oh, already?
I think.
Yeah.
You see this guy? Our total is $90. This guy has costed a lot of money. And ain't no peeking. We have to look at his beauty. Birth certificate.
Oh, it's upside down.
Birth certificate. December 20th, Harry Potter, 16 inches, 8 ounces, brown, dark brown, and belongs to me. And I'm very excited. Now, no, you see from the hole first. But you see from the hole.
Scary.
It's boop. And I gave this guy a silver heart. He has these 2 custom paw pads, so are very cute. I gave him a silver heart back here, and this guy's just cute. But we're not done yet. It's dressing time. We not only got that, we got our pants. We got our pants. We got him a scarf. For no entire reason. And we couldn't forget the wand. Can't forget the wand. So, save this thing for later. And we put, well, no, we're gonna put it back here. And we're going to dress up this guy. First things first, pants. No shirt, the pants. Pants, okay? And I noticed there's like a hole in the back here, which I'm assuming is for the
Good
tail.
luck.
So I don't know how I'm going to do this, but we're going to try my best. Even if this is the wrong side, it has this thing, so I'm sure it's the right side. Just gonna.
Look what Eva did.
Okay. Yeah, so, okay. Take
Got
his.
trouble, Eva.
Ava got a little bit of trouble, but that's not what we were talking about. We're talking about this guy. Okay, we're talking about this guy. And not only that,
Eva, put it back. Oh,
he has a little tail
tail
hole. And it's so
It's a
cute.
little one. That's
It's a
a
little-
big one.
Look at that little tail hole. So cute.
So little.
Next
That's a
things
big one.
next. Clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Take off this beautiful hanger. And this guy has a Velcro attachment that you can close and open. So that's pretty useful. And there's a little Velcro right here in order to get him on his little feet or whatever. Feet, whatever. Then going to yar. Put this over his head. Yes. Put his clothes. Should probably put it in the armholes first. And this jacket is stuck on him, so. And
It's hard.
no, it's just difficult finding where the hole is.
You need some help.
No, because they're both on.
Okay.
Now we here. A little bit of a boom. I'm gonna put this. Well, no, we forgot one thing. The scarf. Put this right here. Like that. Well, I mean, we could do like a little bit of this action, maybe. Gonna do a little something. Hope it's gonna work. No, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have to do it like that. You know what? If I think about it, if every birthday I go to Build-A-Bear and I get one of each, I could have Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and a Gryffindor. 4 bears. Now I'm going to take this right here. Wait, I forgot. Little ears, the little tail. Aw. Cute. Okay, we've got to straighten him out. He has to look his best, even when he's trying to fight. You know, you can't say his name, really. But look at this guy. Oh wait, no, we forgot one more thing. Classic one. I don't know which arm it goes on. We're going to guess the right. And if the right is right, comment. I don't know. I don't know what is right, but this is our little second baby. He is very cute. And yeah, I don't know what else to say because he's, I don't know. But he has this little, like raincoat on and off. You can undo his little thingy right here. It shows his little boom, his little trousers, his wand. He doesn't have a little lining belt, but that's good enough.
Oops.
We should have got him shoes.
Wait.
He doesn't need shoes,
Yeah.
but like we could have get him shoes.
Mm-hmm.
You put the
So you happy with your...
yes, definitely. I wouldn't have regretted it. Turn around. Boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. And that's him. Don't forget, we still got Pudding with us too.
also. This is super cute.
Pudding's birth certificate and our birth certificate. And this is them. Isn't it
This one
cute?
for
One for Ava and one for me. We couldn't get Ava any clothes because she'll rip them off. And yeah, that's kind of it. I love them both and I want them both, but Ava gets this one and I have this one. On my birthday, I'm definitely requesting this.
Again?
Yeah.
Well, you need to work for your AR.
But I'm definitely getting them.
Okay.
Bye.
See you next time.